Welcome, grade 1 and 2 students. Welcome in your science lesson. Now, as you already know, we are doing a new topic these days. We have started this topic on the first day of the week. So, can you tell me what's the name of that topic? Yes, correct. It's about pollution. And what do you mean by pollution? What is the meaning of pollution? Pollution means to make something dirty, to pollute that thing, to make it dirty, filled with all the germs and all that, right? So, and in pollution, what I have explained you have done land pollution because there are 4 types of pollution. So, can you please name them? Can you tell me the names of these 4 types of pollution? Yes, the first is land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, correct. Now these are 4 different types of pollution. We have already covered land pollution. You know what is land pollution, how land is polluted, what we could do to save our land, to make our land free from pollution. Yes, you know that, right? So now what we are going to learn today, what type of pollution, I'm going to show you a picture first and then we are going to discuss the pollution. Okay, class? All right, there you go. Okay. Now, can you see my screen, children? All right, great. Now, what can you see here? What these kids are doing over here? They are looking for the fish, you can say, and what is there on the corners of this sea or ocean? What is that? All these things. These are all garbage. These are all different rubbish the people might have thrown there, right? And how does the water looks like? What's the color of water? It's black. Why is it black? Because it's been polluted. It's been polluted by different garbage, different rubbish that people throw in the water, or by oil or all the waste products that goes in the water. So the water have become polluted. The water have become dirty, full of germs, right? Yes or no? Otherwise, what's the color of water? It's natural color. It's clean and clear, right? But here the water looks very dirty because they must have thrown garbage, thrown some oil in the water and it make them dirty. So what happens when the kids are sitting over here? What is going to be what is going to happen to these kids? Will they be healthy? Will they be free of germs? No, of course not. While the children, they are sitting over there, they are breathing, they are doing different things, so they are carrying the germs inside their body, and that germs, it might make them fall sick, right? It might not be good for them, right? Because since they are sitting over there, they are playing, they might be touching some things and they are making themselves full of germs. They are polluting the area as well. Now over here, what is the boy looking at? He's looking at the different type of things that are on the floor. You can see this area is polluted. Now here is a sea, big sea, and here I think it's a beach. And how they have polluted the area, they have thrown all the garbage, everything is there on the floor. Yes, so the floor, the ground is dirty. And again, the boy is standing here and he's carrying what? What is he carrying with him? Germs, of course, germs. When he's breathing in such type of air, which is full of pollution, because when you throw garbage, children, what happens? Since the air is there, the wind is there, so all that dirty smell, it combines with the good smell with the air, and then if you breathe in such type of air, it means that you are inhaling some polluted air which might harm you, which might not be good for you. Understood? Okay. Now let's see another picture. Here, what do you see? You can see a truck over here dumping some pollute all the garbage and the corner of the sea, right? And how this is going inside the water. And you can see this is a used bottle. These are bottles, and all these things are there in the water. So what happens to the animals, the sea animals, the fish, the sharks? If they are going to eat them again, it's going to harm them. It will not be good for their health. So it might harm them. They might fall sick. You can see this truck is dumping all the garbage over there and making this area polluted. Yes, and making all these areas polluted. Now, what happens if some human being is there or some other animals are there and they are going to breathe in this type of area? What happens to them? They will carry germs. They will carry germs inside their body and they are going to fall sick. You got my point? Yes. How the polluted area, how these garbage and everything is made, has made the polluted, the water polluted, right? So what happens? Who makes the things polluted? You people, human beings, us, we all, when we throw garbage on the floor or on in the ground, or when you people go for a picnic near on a beach or near the sea or some over some this type of an area, what do? You eat your things, you eat your food, you eat French fries, you eat chips, and then you throw the wrappers. You throw the wrappers in the sea or you throw it on the ground, so that way the area is polluted. That way the sea is polluted. When all the wrappers or garbage is thrown inside the sea, when you throw what you call oil, when the oil goes in the sea, it's polluted. You remember the picture which I have shown you, the how the water was black, although the water is of clean and clear color. It's natural color. It's right how clean the water is, but how the water was looking in that picture, because it's polluted, because there was so much oil inside the water, all garbage, rubbish, everything was there. Yes. Okay, now let's watch another presentation. Now this is the same presentation that I have shown you on the first day. Now here you can see what is this picture about. See how the water is over there and how the dirty water is coming and joining this clean water and making this clean water dirty. How garbage and everything, all the wrappers are here inside this water. There is a used old tire also. So all these things are making the water polluted, right? It's water pollution. It's making the water polluted. You can see this woman is washing clothes over there, and when he's washing clothes, again she's washing dirty clothes. So all the dirt is again going inside the water. And here in the other picture, you can see that all the dirty water of the homes, you can say the washroom water or everything, dirty water from the homes, it's going in the big sea. It's also going in the big sea and making that sea polluted. You understood, children? So you have seen different polluted areas. Now tell me how you are going to clean that area. How you will save the sea, the ocean, save them from pollution. How? Can anybody tell me how you are going to save your area from pollution? If only you don't throw your garbage on the ground or on the floor, you throw it in the dustbin. And the companies should also throw, which are responsible to pick up the garbage, to pick up the rubbish from the areas. They should dump that in one area only, and then they can put fire so that that garbage is vanished. Because if you burn that garbage, it's going to vanish. So you should throw some garbage in certain areas which is responsible for the garbage thing, and they are going to burn that garbage so that it's vanished from that area, right? So how are you going to take care? You should not throw wrappers on the ground. You should throw the wrappers in the dustbin, right? And if you find some wrappers anywhere, you should pick it up and throw it in the dustbin. This is how you are going to save your area from pollution. Got my point? Now what you are going to do, I want you, since yesterday you have drawn land pollution, today grade 1 and grade 2, you are going to show sea pollution. You are going to draw a picture showing sea pollution or water pollution, and grade 1 is only going to draw and write water pollution, whereas grade 2 are going to write 2 sentences about that pollution and how we are going to save that area from pollution. You understood? Grade 1 is only do the drawing part. Grade 2 is going to do drawing and writing parts, both, right? So I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task and your time starts now. All right, time is up. Show me your drawings. Wow, great, grade 1. Okay, now what you have written grade 2 about pollution? This is sea pollution. There are so many garbage in the sea. Okay, thrown in the sea. What else? What you can do? We should always throw the garbage in the dustbin. And if we find any garbage or anything in near the sea, we should pick it up and throw it in the dustbin. Right. So I hope today's class is very, very clear to you all. Today's lecture is very clear to you all. If you have any issue, you are always welcome to ask me whenever you feel like, okay? And I have not shown you the video on pollution, which is already there on the website. You can go home, you can see that video again, because I have already shown you that video twice in the previous 2 classes. You have seen that video. Now you can again see that video and you will do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal. Okay, class? See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.